What's up guys, it's your boy Grip and Rip, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a bit of a challenge from Badger. A new challenge awaits you, do you dare accept? So he's written me a list of 10 things, I've written him a list of 10 things. We've got to try and go and get pictures with those 10 things that are on the list. So it should be fun. Whoever gets the most wins. I'm going to call this prop hunt, I think. His is properly typed up, I just hand wrote mine. I want to play a game. Below is a list of 10 items I would like you to find and photograph with either yourself or the bike in the same frame. You have 90 minutes to perform this quest, so think fast and ride effectively. I will meet you again later this afternoon to see how you got on. A goat, a steam train, a daffodil stood in the ground not picked, a speed limit sign showing less than 30, a road closed sign, any member of the emergency services, roadkill, nice, a Yamaha motorcycle, not mine, a yellow car, and a phone box. Happy hunting. That's cheating! Bollocks. Right. That's cheating. If you guys are wondering, on my list for him was a picture on someone else's bike. Bear with me. Wait, that's a dandelion. Where's a daffodil? That's a daffodil. Fuck, I dropped my phone.
That's not a daffodil.
What's a daffodil?
It's a yellow flower with
It's one of these. Can they be dead?
No, because that's not a daffodil, that's just a leaf.
Oh, come on. I'm going anyway. I need to get on with things that are on this list. I'm pretty sure there's a phone box in this village somewhere, and I dropped my glove. Bye. Oh, fuck! I've only got half an hour. No, 90 minutes. Out of the way! Oh, I'm never gonna get out of here. Right, power! Phone box, phone box. I'm probably gonna look like a right weirdo doing this. That's phone box done. I have a feeling I can get a picture of a goat because I know a little trail that has a farm on it with some goats, and it's a legal by road, I think they're called. So, and if I see any roadkill on the way, then I'll get that too. Daffodils. I'll come back for those. If I can find a dead badger at the side of the road, then it'll be perfect. Road ahead closed, I need one of them. I'll come back for that in a second. Come on, move! Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Why are you indicating to stop there? Bro. Bro! Come on, bro! What are you doing? I've got places to be, things to photograph. Oh, it's muddy though. Oh no, dear God. Guys, don't do what I'm doing. It's not smart, it's not wise, it's probably not good for the bike. Oh, yeah, let's just go through the puddle, why not? Badger knows that I know that there's goats down here, so he's sent me, oh fuck. He's sent me down this shithole deliberately. This is not safe. Oh my god, this is grim. need like a Honda XR125 or something like that. There we go. That bit was kind of difficult. I just got hit in the hand by something. Second gear. I have changed gear off-road. Oh my god, this bit. Oh no, there's more shit. It's squishy in my boots. Whoa, I just lost all grip. And let's just hope the goats are here. Right. That was way too fast. I've got shit all over my boots. Look at my boots. Definitely not a safe place to stop. 20 max speed 20 it says right there. So if I zoom in on that. Yep, sorry mate. And then there we go. Technically I've got the bike and the 20 mph speed limit sign, and I've attached my pocket to my peg and completely ripped it open. Oh my god. Now I know some of you will be saying, oh, it's a dangerous place to stop just to play a game. Oh my god, there's a fucking bus coming. Please see me. He does, thank fuck for that. I'm trying not to look like a weirdo. There you go. Get out the way! I'm on a mission! This isn't funny! I want places to be! They're all daffodils, right. Well, there's no one around. I've got to go to town now to somehow get a picture with a member of the emergency services. Ooh, ninja. Very nice. That's Badger! That is Badger. Fuck it, we'll speak to Badger for a second. How are you getting on? Is that it? What?
This man needs to hurry up a bit.
Yes.
I tried getting a picture of the goats, but they won't get in the shot.
A what?
The goats.
Oh. Goats! 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 Goats are on my list.
Fuck, are they?
Yeah. Whoa.
Why am I sat here? Get them out. I forgot my own bloody lip. Mr. Waste.
Mr. Waste! Why is that goat crawling? That's what I want to know. He's on his like elbows. That's the goat.
Oh.
Oh, hello. Would you like a race? I'd beat you. No, I wouldn't.
Walk up.
Roadkill. Fuck. Okay, I'm getting that on the way back. That is a mangled pheasant, but that is still roadkill. Okay, I'm going straight into the multi-storey car park to look for a yellow car. Police! Oh, I've missed the bollocks. Yeah, I thought you'd try and fall on me. Hello? Thank you. Right, yellow cars. Oh, that's sounds good. Oh look, there's a yellow car. You're mine. Not at all suspicious. See you later. It's Badger again. I'll disguise this as a picture of my bike, but there is a Yamaha in there. Yeah, it's very loud, mate, I know. Right, so I've been home, charged up my GoPro again. It died after the Yamaha picture. I'm now meeting up with Badger so that we can find out the results of this prop hunt thing. One thing I will say, if you guys want to see more of this, let us know, because it has been great fun. I can't wait to see how Badger's done and what kind of shenanigans he's been up to trying to get these pictures. There he is. You're hilarious. How are you diddly doing?
Not too bad, yourself?
I'm very well. Well, by the looks of things, you've got them all.
So you got what, 7?
Yes. You win.
I win! I'm a champion!
Until the next time. Until the next time. I'll get you back this next time. Right, guys, that was prop hunt, I guess. Is that what we're going to call it? Call it prop hunt?
Some sort of hunt.
Okay, that was some sort of hunt.
Pronounce it wrong.
No, definitely not. If you did enjoy the video, let us know if you want us to do more stuff like this or change any bits and bobs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.